Hi class. With this video, I would like to give you a more detailed instructions on the second essay, comparing sides and analyzing arguments. So just remember that this second essay is an expansion of the context essay that we just finished last week and you had submitted or should have submitted this morning or by the end of the day at least. And in the context essay section, you should have identified the conflict, the stakeholders, the groups involved, and that could also be people, organizations, or even a group of population. So essentially, the who can be a variety of people, organizations, groups, whatever is uh, whatever is specific to your topic. So with that, we are going to expand onto the comparing sides, and the main purpose of the second essay is to research the positions, what each side believes, and why each side believes it. And then towards the end, or by the culmination of research, you will decide which side has better evidence and therefore makes a more convincing case. Keep in mind that you need to be objective, not subjective. So, and you will hear me say, be like a newspaper reporter in that you want to just give you want to present everything in a neutral way. So questions to answer for the comparison and analyzing arguments essay. First one is, what do the two sides agree, disagree about? You might find that they agree on very little and disagree about something more. That is quite okay. And with that, what reasons do they give for why they agree and disagree? What evidence backs up these reasons? And through your research, you will find a support to clarify these reasons that each group or person or organization gives. And then who makes the most convincing case? So the structure of the comparison analyzing essay, again, you are still writing the body of your IRE. So with that, you should not write a new introduction, because you have already done that in the first essay, but I would recommend looking at your body paragraphs and see if the introduction fits with what you have written for this section. And also keep in mind that you do not have to write, you should not write a conclusion for this essay section. These are just going to be body paragraphs. And keep in mind that you should have two in-text citations per paragraph, which brings me to my next point, number 4, the essentials. So for this essay section, it is a little bit longer. It will be 4 to 5 pages. You will use, again, MLA formatting for essay and citations. And as I just mentioned a second ago, 2 in-text citations per paragraph. I would like to see a bit of variety of how you integrate your sources. So you might look to do a direct quote, a summary, a paraphrase, along those lines. And this module, or for this essay section, we do have a short module for this. It is only 3 weeks, so we are now in week 5. Week 6, I would even begin writing in this week, week 5, but in week 7 is when you will have your peer review. So I would spend the next 2 weeks getting your writing in order, at least start planning what you would like to do, and then due for grading by me be the first day of week 8. So the required sources. And I see a little typo there, but that looks like a little T, and it is. I apologize, but you need 3 sources. So you need one from CQ Researcher, you need to have one from US Newsstream, and optional Points of View Reference Center or any other database within the MCC library. So just to let you know, in week 5, you are going to do a research exercise using CQ Researcher. And I do state in there 2 sources. I am flexible with the sources that you do have, but you should have at least one from CQ Researcher and at least one from the US News Stream. If you end up having another one from another place, that's fine, but I would like to have at least one from CQ Researcher and one from US News Stream. And just so you know, week 6, you will have an exercise, a research exercise using US News Stream. Okay, so as I had said earlier in the beginning of this video, remember to be objective for each side, and you should not show bias in your writing. So everyone, that is just a quick snapshot of what are the expectations for the second essay of your IRE. Thank you, everyone.